Westermans here again with another busy day. A set of Morgan bending rolls, destined for a customer. Also a Lincoln Advantage which has been repaired and going back. TWS doing the transport. There's the driver over there.
Good morning.
These have actually come in, been checked over and sending out again. More bending rolls in stock, other machine tools and welding equipment like diesel welders, column and booms, Sven standing there, Paul there, all walking around with coffees. Quick walk through the workshop. The Marder brake press there, a trump sitting behind the back there, welding positioners, both new and used, welding rotators again, new and used rotators. There's a few more welding positioners over there, ranging anything from 50 kilos up to, I think at the minute, 10,000 kilos. CNC plasmas, Fronius automatic welding lathe, more diesel welders from Miller 500 amps, CNC plasma from Esprit, another CNC plasma awaiting setup from TechServe, bowed seam welders, more Miller diesel welders, Eco 500X, another Esprit plasma, more welding positioners, an Esprit plasma there with a Max Hypertherm Max Pro, bending rolls, guillotine at the back there, folders, automatic saws, selection of lathes, fume extraction, more bending rolls, in here we have a few little welding positioners, some MIG and TIG, Kempe, GYS, Fronius, Orbital Systems, Axair, ESAB, AMI, Swage Lock, new CNC plasma there from ProArc, Nelson stud welders, ESAB sub-arc tractors, brand new Miller Maxstar 700 there, a few new machines down here, Kempe, I believe 425, thermal plasma or ESAB, Cookmaster, Akron spot welders, single sided, preheat equipment, Miller Arc Reach preheat, portable welders or PW position spot welders, our favourite fast spotter, single sided, ProArc seam welder, a nice Fronius compact cladding system there, spot welders, another cladding system there, going through to some of the stuff on the shelf, which is ESAB, MIG, TIG, sub-arc, power sources, Lincoln Position 275 TIG there, Polysued Lincoln DC 600, some nice Fronius Magic waves, I believe. Yeah, some Fronius magic waves there. AC/DC. An Esprit CNC plasma, 2 meters by 4 meters, with the Edge Pro CNC control system. "10-ton welding positioner with adjustable height. New Miller, I believe these are either sinker waves or, let's have a look, any details on there. Miller Dynasties, TIG runner, AC/DCs, all boxed up, brand new. Spot welders, selection of spot welders from PEI. Launch MIG, water-cooled compact MIGs, nice compact machine at reasonable prices. Some genset diesel welders arrived. Little column booms there, an ESAB 3x3 with a ESAB sub-arc head on it. Another column boom there, small one. Nice little 2x2 with a Lincoln NA3 sub-arc head. And welding positioner. Some of the machines also do go out on hire. Cat diesel generator, 150 kVA. As you can see, a good selection of stock. So the favourite of my machines would be up there on the mezzanine floor, which is full of orbital equipment, AMI, Axair, Swage lock, plus many other makes and models and of various heads. More details available from westermans.com. Have a look online and request prices of any item you might be interested in. Anything can be shipped worldwide. Thank you for looking.